A Coca Cola cake is a Southern classic that combines the effervescence of the soda with the rich flavors of chocolate and vanilla to create a moist, fluffy, and delicious dessert. Here's a recipe for a sweet and fluffy Coca Cola cake. Coca Cola Cake. Ingredients: cake, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup Coca-Cola, 1/2 cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1½ cups mini marshmallows frosting, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 6 tablespoons Coca-Cola, 4 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract optional. Chopped pecans or walnuts for topping instructions. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Mix dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour and sugar. Set aside. Coca-Cola mixture. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine the butter, cocoa powder, and Coca-Cola. Bring the mixture to a boil while stirring consistently. After it reaches a boil, remove from heat. Combine. Pour the Coca-Cola mixture over the flour and sugar. Mix until combined. In a separate bowl or jug, combine the buttermilk and baking soda. Then add this to the main mixture. Beat in the eggs and vanilla until smooth. Stir in the marshmallows. Bake. Pour the batter into the prepared baking dish. Bake for about 30-40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Prepare the frosting. While the cake is baking, make the frosting. In a saucepan, combine the butter, cocoa powder, and Coca-Cola. Bring to a boil while stirring. Remove from heat and gradually stir in the powdered sugar and vanilla until smooth and glossy. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a touch more Coca-Cola to reach your desired consistency. Frost the cake. Once the cake is out of the oven, pour the warm frosting over the hot cake, spreading it out evenly. Sprinkle with chopped pecans or walnuts if desired. Cool and serve. Allow the cake to cool before serving. The frosting will set as the cake cools, creating a glossy, fudgy layer on top. Enjoy your sweet and fluffy Coca-Cola cake with a cold glass of milk or a scoop of vanilla ice cream.